So I thought I'd let you take a look inside one of the vintage drinking toys, automations, how they are able to pour and drink their fluid. Basically all of these ones from the 50s and early 60s, you'll have to remove their fake skin, fur, it's all plastic, synthetic stuff, because the latex rubber tubes that they used to connect the cup to the bottle will have all rotted and gone solid and cracked. So I'm replacing this one with a silicone rubber tube, which should last forever. And I thought before I put all the clothes back on it, you might want to see what's going on. So basically, you put some drink. In this case, I'm going to use water because I know it's going to spill, because it always does. And it'll try to pour some in. Of course, there won't be anything over there yet. Well, actually, I could do it. Maybe even catch some of the stuff that I spilled the first time. The water is traveling down the tube right now as we speak, because it's lifted. It's gone down this tube. It's gone over here. It's poured into this bottle shape. A little bit of it always comes back. So then it pours. And it funnels it around. And try to bring in a little closer here. Maybe you can see what's going on. And that is how they work.